Mic check, right? I got this awesome, I'll put it on screen in a little bit, but awesome video, me and my cousin's car, right? I had it in this mode where pretty much it flies itself. It's in and I had it in normal mode, so like all the sensors are on, like Mini 3 Pro. Just got this sucker, man, but we got warranty, it's all good. Let's go to ×2. But like y'all see there's little wires and stuff sticking out right there. Very, very unfortunate, but man, thankfully, I got warranty on it. I'm like 90% sure I have warranty on it, but I felt like it was gonna happen at some point with this drone. It was just like, the quality kind of turned bad with them. But yeah, I felt like it was gonna break at some point. Obviously, I didn't want to like crash it on purpose, but basically, it was up in the air, right, doing this thing in auto mode, flying here, and I tried to. Oh, look at the moon. That looks awesome. But it was in auto mode flying, right? And I saw it going towards the tree, and I was like, let me cut it off and try to stop it. I tried to bring it back this way, but I guess in that mode you can't control it. But what a bummer. It looked bad when it fell. Thankfully, there's nothing crazy. SD card's still in there. Wings are there. It's just this part, the camera, that's broke. But look, not bad. Dang, I don't know what all that means. What is that? Controller's obviously good. It was me driving it or flying it, but that sucks. It's not too bad though, I don't think. There's just some wires sticking out. Good thing though, I got one awesome video. Alright, after further inspection, you know, a little scuffy roughy right there. That sucks. This is the part that really messed up. I hope we got a good shot though. I'm pretty sure we did. Man, look at this. It's not too bad, but the whole thing did, you know, disconnect and missing something there. Look at this side, but gotta get a new one now, man. I was trying to get a replacement for my drone today, but they didn't have it in stock, so they had to order it, which you know, it does kind of suck. Let's get inside the car. Oh man. But yeah, what I was saying, they didn't have the drone, so that kind of sucks. Then I had to order it. But then again, man, I'm just thankful I have a drone. It's like, and it's weird because they had to give me a penny back. I'm not sure the science or the mathematics behind that one, but okay. But yeah, pretty much on my way to a week. This new drone should come in, and yeah, man, I'll keep y'all updated and whatnot. I did crash my drone, was it like last week? A couple of days ago, I think. But yeah, they didn't have any like replacements at Best Buy, so they were like, hey, come back in a week, we're gonna order you one. And it came earlier than a week, because I went last Wednesday, I think. And they emailed Monday saying it's ready. It's Tuesday right now, but yeah, a day early, so that's awesome. I'm about to go pick it up right now, actually. Alright, y'all, we've arrived to Best Buy. Hello. I was here first. It was a pickup.
Yeah, it was in front of me.
We did make it out of Best Buy. And they're like swimwear, baby. Man, for sure. If y'all get a drone or something, Best Buy didn't sponsor me. They should, man. I buy hella stuff from Best Buy. But man, make sure y'all get the warranty. Make sure y'all get the warranty. I crashed it into a tree. I even told him. And like, at first I was kind of iffy about drones, man. Cause I was like, dang, what if I get a drone? But yeah, at first I was a little iffy about drones, cause like, I mean, they're a lot of money, man. If you crash it, like, that's a big investment, you know? So, that kind of sucks. But with the warranty, dude, let me show you. This is what we're working with, baby. Mini Pro 3. I was trying to rush into Best Buy because they close at 8. Let me try to show y'all that. Hopefully I can see that. But yeah, we got that. We're good. So no real reason to rush now. But yeah, like I was saying, dude, this freaking drone, I tested it. I was with my cousin. Y'all seen in the video, the orange Camaro? It's me and my cousin, right? We're just, you know, hanging out, filming our cars. I brought the drone out. I tested it. There's this pole on the other side of the thing. Like a light pole. I was like, all right, let me test this autopilot mode on the drone, see if it could like detect this pole, and if it does, then like cool. Like, just wanted to see if it works. I could totally fly it manual mode, but then like if I fly it in manual mode, dude, my hands aren't the most steadiest, you know. So like you can see like it'll kind of jitter, go like really fast and slow down. The turns won't be as smooth, you know, that kind of thing. But when you put it in autopilot mode, it like turns super. I mean, it's a freaking drone flying. It's freaking weird, man. We're in the future for sure. This is alien technology, honestly. Like if you would have showed anybody a drone like 20 years ago. But yeah, that's besides the point. Had it in autopilot mode, got real close to the tree, and it actually like crashed into the tree, and like the gimbal broke, the camera kind of, thankfully. We were on a parking garage on the second story. It hit the branch, tumbled, and like fell maybe like, I don't know, 15 feet. Cause it hit the tree branches and then like hit the concrete. I think the concrete is what messed it up, honestly. Cause this is a small drone. Just in case you're wondering, let me show y'all like Mini Pro. This sucker's less than 249 grams. I think the legal limit to fly, like, I think generally speaking, it has to be under 250 grams. This is 249, so this is perfect. Maybe that's why it kind of broke. Cause I'm sure like the quality on here, like it's freaking plastic, dude. It's lightweight. It's 249 grams. If you're thinking about getting this drone, I don't know if they offer. I think this drone actually only comes with this remote. But if there's an option to like get this remote or the old remote, highly recommend this remote. It's USB-C, very bright screen, so like you don't use your phone screen. Or like, what if someone calls you while you're flying your drone? That could be the reason why you crash it. I had mine on autopilot and it still crashed, so it maybe couldn't be the reason also. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. I still can't believe I crashed my drone, dude. Like, what the heck? I mean, it wasn't me. It was in autopilot mode. I tried to save it, dude. Oh, another thing. Once it's in autopilot mode, you can't like mess with it at all. You gotta like hold a button on the screen to turn off autopilot mode, and then from there you have control. Because once it's in autopilot, you have no control. Like before you do it, you like highlight the subject you want. You put if you want to go left or right. I think I did right, and you could drag it all the way over to go fast, or drag it a little bit, you know, go slow. I did the slow one, obviously, and just because I feel like slow shots look more cinematic, and I don't know, they just look cooler to me, actually. But yeah, I had it in slow mode, flying around the thing, but in autopilot mode, like I said, you can't control it, man. It's it's just the drone doing its thing. And this drone has like sensors and stuff, so it should have seen the tree, because like it saw the pole earlier. But that's besides the point, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm kind of hungry, actually. It is about that time to eat, man. It is about that time to eat. Also, these fours, man, very comfy. I know, kind of off topic, but I like shoes a lot. If you're new to the channel, I started this channel, you know, mainly doing like shoe reviews, shoe unboxings. I mean, I still do them too. Not like every single shoe, when a cool shoe comes out, something that that interests me, you know. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned, hella new content dropping soon, all that. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. So yeah.